How to create account on Bitcoin app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on bitcoin.com, one of the most secure and user-friendly multi-coin crypto wallets out there. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the bitcoin.com app on your phone. And once you are inside the app, you will be taken to the home page. From there, you simply have to tap on the settings icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And at the very top of the settings menu, you will see a sign in option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you have two options to sign in. You can use your Google account or you can sign in by using your email address. For this video, I'm going to do with the email address. So enter your email address, and once you're done with that, simply tap on the arrow button. Now, after that, check your inbox for an email from bitcoin.com. To make it even easier, you can tap on Open Mail app directly from the screen. And once you are in the inbox, find the mail sent by bitcoin.com and tap on the Continue button inside that mail. And that's it. Now you will be redirected back to the bitcoin.com app, and as you can see, you will be automatically signed in. And congratulations, your account has been successfully created. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.